Hey everyone, every tip I'm going to share here has been tested by the pros working in the shop with me, so don't worry. This has a solution. When a customer comes in with the traction control off light on, the first thing we do is explain that it doesn't necessarily mean the car stopped working. Many people tell us, I thought I couldn't drive, but the car ran fine. And it's true. The vehicle usually keeps running. It's just that the traction system turned off to protect itself from potential damage. As one of our techs says, it's like an automatic emergency brake for the system. No need to panic. Next, we see that the most common cause is usually the wheel speed sensors. One customer mentioned that their Chevy was slipping a bit in turns, and the light came on, and in the shop we found that one of the sensors was dirty. Cleaning or replacing it usually makes the light go off immediately. As our tech points out, these sensors are small, but they send all the info to the car. If they fail, the system disconnects. On the other hand, sometimes the traction system's wires or connectors get loose or corroded. A customer told us after the rain, the light kept coming on, and when we checked, we found a loose connector. Tightening it or cleaning the contacts almost always fixes the problem. Our techs always recommend inspecting the wiring harnesses thoroughly before assuming a more serious failure. It's also common for the system to temporarily shut off when it detects the wheel slipping, especially on wet or slick surfaces. As we explain in the shop, if the car senses wheel slip, it shuts off traction for a moment to protect the components. This means that many times the message goes away on its own after a few minutes or after turning the car off and on again. Finally, on some newer models, Chevrolet released software updates for the traction control module that fix false shutdowns. Our techs always check if the vehicle has the latest software because that prevents the light from coming back. One customer said, "After the update, the alert never came back, and now I drive worry-free."